Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change a date or time in Nintendo 2DS. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on this home with a wrench next to it button. Now scroll down. Click on this button right here to enter the settings. Now move to the other settings, date and time, and here you'll be able to change the time, so you can go for today's date and pick whichever date you want. Click OK to save that. Move to the current time and you'll be able to pick the time as well. Click OK to save that the same way as date. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.